Hey guys, Chris from Emigh Hardware here, talking about the newest offering from Gozney Pizza Ovens. We have the Tread here. This is the brand new, ultra lightweight, ultra portable, ultra rugged pizza oven. Shown here with the optional accessories of the roof rack, the mantle, the base, or you can just get it by yourself, but it can go anywhere you want to go, whether it's camping, to a sporting event, anywhere you want to make a pizza, this thing can do it for you. Shown here with all the extra accessories as well, pizza cutter, digital thermometer, everything that you need to make a pizza here at Emigh Hardware.